this video clip, we will look at the property of even function and odd function. Click here. We'll find out what is the definition for the even function. We make it bigger. A function f of x is even if f of negative x equals f of x. You see, y equals x squared is even. When we replace x with negative x, then this x will be replaced by negative x. Square it, negative comes to be positive, so x squared, which is f of x. This basically tells us for negative 2, you square it, you get positive 4 for y value, and which is positive 2 squared, which is f of 2. So basically, this example tells us negative 2, 4, and the 2, 4 are on the graph. Those 2 points, one is the mirror image of the other based on the y-axis. You see the case right here as well. When x is negative 1, you get positive 1 for y value. When x is positive 1, you get positive value for y as well. Every point on the graph has this property. So even function is symmetric with respect to y-axis. That's the property. And then we close it. Now, let's look at the odd function. Odd function. We click odd function, and we will have a definition. Make it bigger. You see right down here, odd function is different, which is f of negative x equals negative f of x. Basically, here it tells us is that if you replace x with negative x, then this x needs to be replaced by negative x. Cube it, so 3 negative, you get negative. And then that will be x cubed. We know that y equals x cubed previously. Then you know negative x cubed will be negative y, but we know y is x cubed. So then we know negative y is negative f of x. And here is just the example. You have a negative 2 plug in, so negative 2 cubed, which is negative 8, and which is negative, and then 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times you put negative. Okay. So basically, you have that's negative f of 2. What it says here is that when you have a 2, 8 is on the graph, because when you plug in 2 here, 2 squared is 8. So you have a 2, 8 is on the graph. When you plug in negative 2 here you have a negative 2 cubed, you have a negative 8. So you have a 2, 8 and negative 2, negative 8 on the graph. So negative 2, negative 8, 2, 8 is on the graph. If you connect those 2 points, they go through the origin. So these 2 points are symmetric with respect to the origin. Similarly for negative 1 and 1, 1. So again, positive 2, positive 8, then you will have a negative 2, negative 8. Negative 1, you have a positive 1, positive 1. When you connect those 2 points, they should go through the origin. Every point on the odd function has this property. So the graph is symmetric with respect to the origin. It means when you rotate this graph 180 degrees is going to coincide. You may play this animation. Okay, so that's the definition for odd function, and that's the property for the odd function. All right, I'll see you next time.